Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to move Bitcoin from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to enhance your Bitcoin's security by transferring it from an exchange like Coinbase to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, exchanges can be vulnerable to hacks, but a Ledger Nano X keeps your crypto offline and secure. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with some Bitcoin, a Ledger Nano X device that's set up and updated, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Always double-check that your Ledger is properly initialized to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Ledger Live app and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Enter your PIN to unlock it, and make sure the Bitcoin app is installed on your device. If not, go to the app catalog in Ledger Live and install it quickly. Step 2. Log into your Coinbase account on a web browser or the app. Navigate to your Bitcoin wallet and select the Send or Withdraw option. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient address, which comes from your Ledger. Step 3. Back on Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your Bitcoin wallet. Click on Receive to generate a new address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so double-check for accuracy to prevent sending your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Step 4. Paste the Ledger address into the To field on Coinbase. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. Coinbase uses the Bitcoin network, so fees can vary based on congestion. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on Coinbase. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks good before hitting send. Once you do, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Finally, Step 6. Wait for the transaction to confirm. This can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see your Bitcoin safely in your wallet. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always use a new address for each transaction to maintain privacy, and never share your seed phrase. If you run into any issues, Ledger support is usually helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay secure out there.